Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, friends, we have a lot of openings to discuss completely for the freshers today. So, you can see the different tabs here: Dell, then we have DXC, we have IBM, we have Amdocs to discuss. Okay, so I hope all of you will be watching this video till the very end, and you will be applying it at the earliest. Okay, so if you're very new to our channel, to get these kind of very informative stuffs regarding your placements, please do consider subscribing our channel and activating the bell icon as well. Okay, so that you don't miss any kind of videos that we upload, especially these kind of hiring videos. It's very important you should know it at the time so that you can apply before the link getting expired. Okay, cool. Let's start with the first one, that is from Amdocs. So Amdocs is hiring for software support engineers, and you can see here all you need is bachelor's degree in science or IT or computer science or equivalent is what they're expecting. Okay, now strong technical, analytical, problem solving, and communication skills required. Then required knowledge in C++, Java, SQL, and Unix. So this is a requirement, I mean eligibility criteria. So you can stick on to this, and in case if you meet all of these, then you can definitely apply. And what will your job look like? So this is very important, I'm telling again and again, because in the interview process or anywhere where you have to prove you are good for this role, you need to make sure you are good in all sense. So you need to mention good. Okay, that is, you need to mention all these things. It's not like directly mentioning, you have to prove you are to the point, you have to prove all these criterias. Okay, so here it is for the recent batches. Okay, it is for the recent batches. You can apply. And now to apply for that, you can click on this apply now button, and you will have the form. You can fill that form and get started with the application process. So it's a very good opportunity for all the freshers who are seeking into job software support engineer role. You will get an insight to the support environment, how the application is working, how the business is functioning with the product, and all these kind of details. Okay, so you need to upload your resume, your personal information and all, then education details, work experience, you can put it 0 if you're a fresher. Give all these details and apply. And after applying, further selection process will be intimated to you via the contact details that you have shared here. You need to check your mail every then and there for that. Okay, so that's clear, I guess. Amdocs is fine. Next is IBM. So IBM is hiring for associate systems engineer role, and this you can see here. See, education qualification is BTech, BE, MCA, MTech, and ME, and required professional and expertise. Okay, all these things you can see here. Environment, professional knowledge. You should be able to work, your develop skills, employ your ideas. All these things comes to the picture. Then communication or negotiation is required. Problem solving skill required. Now that there will be leadership, I mean, you must be an individual contributor, and leadership qualities must be there. Impact on business and scope. You should understand the business environment of the software related things that's working, and you should work accordingly. Okay. So this is regarding the associate systems engineer role in IBM. So the basic details we covered. Anyone who can satisfy to the eligibility criteria can apply. Now to apply for that, you need to log in to IBM first, and after that you can create a profile, upload your resume, give all your details and submit. Okay, so here this is to get the notifications. In case if you want job notifications from IBM carriers, then you can give the details and submit. You can join actually. In case if you don't want, you can just click on to no thanks and continue to apply. So CTC requirements for these IBM is around 4 plus LPAs in associate system engineer in IBM. It completely depends upon the company policy and the team and all you are getting in. So you can get an average estimation on that. Okay. Now this is it. You can click on this apply to job, then log in, fill the form, upload your resume, give the necessary details and submit. Okay. This is also you should look your mail to get the further steps on the same. Okay. So now let's move on to the other job which is available from DXC. So they're hiring technical voice support, and this is for fresh graduates, freshers. Okay. And basic qualification, other qualification you can see bachelor's degree, that's fine. Okay, bachelor's degree is fine. In case if you have 1 or more years of technical training in computer support preferred, that's preferred criteria. 2 or more years of technical or customer support experience, experience working with company products, experience with solving computer, experience working with company escalation policy. So they are looking freshers as well as experienced people. So in case if you can stand in between them, then you can apply. Okay, freshers is also welcomed here. Other qualification will be interpersonal skills to interact with customers and team members, good communication skills, organization skills to balance and prioritize work, analytical and problem solving skills, ability to work in a team, work environment will be office, and there can be shifts. So if you're ready with that, you can apply. And here comes the job functions. You can just go through that to know what all you'll be performing there under this role. And if you feel okay, this is very interesting to do, or you are okay to do, then you can apply. Okay. Now, here there is no batch specification. So, all the recent trending batches, you can try applying to this, and you are getting into location Bangalore. So, to apply for that, you can click on to apply button. You can select the options from here. I'm just choosing this apply manually. And the CTC details in technical voice support come, I mean, it starts around 3.3 plus LPA. So, somewhere around that you can get according to the experience criteria. Without experience criteria, it do differs completely. Okay, now you need to log in. As usual, you will have a section to upload your resume, your personal information, contact details, then education details, your education details, then resume part, everything will be there. Just give that and upload. Okay, and if you have work experience, you can give that, else you can completely skip that section. So this is about the opening available in DXC. I hope all this is clear. Next is an opening from Dell. So this is also a fresh opening that's up here for the freshers. So the details here is as follows. You can see essential requirements. Fresher B Tech batch of 2020, 21, and 22, entry level position requiring 0 to 2 years of related experience, organizational and planning skills to coordinate program deliverables, ability to set, prioritize, and delegate, analytical problem solving and negotiation skills. Desirable quality will be bachelor's degree. So they just want you to have the bachelor's degree, not master's, and the batch everything they have specifically mentioned. So if you can go with it, then you can apply. So freshers they are inviting, and if you have experience till 2 years, you can give that. So everyone watching this video, share this with the people who would like to get into Dell if their experience up to 2 years or freshers. This is a very good opportunity. Okay, and the CTC for this role starts around 4 to 5 LPS plus that. Okay, and with respect to experience, with respect to team, with respect to company policy, as of now 2022, it completely differs, so you can expect something related to that. Okay, now let's see what is the other things that they have mentioned. You will, that are the things that you'll be doing there. So interface directly with customers, build and review design, functional, technical, process documentation, focus on data collection, develop and sustain effective communication, all these things. Whenever you apply to any of the job, here I'm just giving you the basic details. Okay, basic threats, what you need to check. That is not at all enough to apply for a job. Okay, so if you're very serious and if you want to develop or if you want to check it, very good in it, then you need to get onto this website. Before clicking apply button, just go through all these details, especially essential requirements, desirable requirements, expertise required, then all these sections, and roles and responsibilities, you will, what you get, all these sections. No, you need to go through that mandatorily, you need to go through that. And once you go through all these details, you will get a idea of what is the role, what the work you will be performing there, what all things you should prepare for the selection process, and how you have to prove yourself in the interview process. All these things, every interview will not be as normal, as cliche as what is subs concept, what is the your favorite then I mean language, tell about your favorite language, tell about your hobbies. No, not every companies will go through that. Some companies to take interview very deep, related to the job role. So if you want to get, I mean, that value will be as much greater as well for your career. So if you want to get into this deep roles, then you need to raise yourself. So these are the few things where you can raise yourself. So once you apply, you will have a little time for the selection process. So just develop yourself with all the keys that is mentioned, and that is very important. That's how you land on a job. And you might have reason you might have noticed many very good at graduates, I mean very good at academic, okay, students who are very good at academics may not be getting job, but who are very average may be getting job. So it's because they keenly look into things and they know to differentiate what is required and what is not required. That is helping them immensely. Okay, so this is what you need: analytical skill, what is required and what is not required. You should be able to differentiate them and do that. I hope it's very clear. In case if you have any doubts regarding all these things, let me know that in the description, sorry, comment section. So you can, I will be able to if clear most of yours. So in case if I can, I will definitely do that. I'll include those details in my upcoming videos, so you can drop it there. Okay, so I guess all the details are clear. So, as I already mentioned, in case any doubts regarding your placement needs, you can drop that in the comment section. We'll definitely try to respond you to that with the maximum knowledge that we can gain. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. Until I be back again with another video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.